In today's video, I want to expand upon the code I last showed on the Python function to get the OpenShift authentication token. I will make some security-related changes to the code to follow some best practices. We need to import in OS. We want to store the username and password outside the code instead of hard-coding it in. We can use the OS environmental variables for these. Then add os.environ along with the variable name you wish to import. Do this for both username and password. Next, we want to validate the certificate. You can use OpenSSL to retrieve the certificate from your OpenShift cluster and store them in a PEM file. We will create a variable named cert_path and use os.path.join along with the path of the certificate. Finally, we just need to add verify equals cert_path to the response, and we are done. I hope you enjoyed this short bonus video on our previous code. See you the next time, and have a great day. Bye.